If you love steak sandwiches, you're gonna love this one. Inspired by my life here in South Florida, it combines steak, chimichurri, and some medianoche. Get yourself some outside skirt, some medianoche bread, caramelize yourself some onions, and gather ingredients for some chimichurri. Now, all the ingredients will be linked in the description box down below. I highly recommend Dusseldorf mustard. It has a hint of sweetness to it that is going to give your steak a little bit more complexity. I'm using some gunpowder seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic powder, and black garlic. If you don't have it, just use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Cook this in a cast iron pan. Flip it every 45 seconds till you get a nice medium rare. I suggest cooking it to medium rare because this will be cooked in a panini press, so it will continue to cook your steak even further. Let your steak rest while we go and make our chimichurri. Now, this is my version of chimichurri. I have some flat leaf parsley, garlic, capers, red wine vinegar, a little bit of fish sauce. Blend this all up until it gets nice and chunky. I'm adding the juice of half of a lemon and enough olive oil to give this a consistency of pesto. Some people like a really oily chimichurri, but don't do it in this case. Adding in some lemon zest and some black pepper, as well as some diced deseeded fresnos. Give this a nice mix. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mayonnaise to give this a nice creamy texture. Now that our steak is rested, let's slice this up. I like to slice it once with the grain and then against the grain. This is how you properly slice skirt steak. Otherwise, you're gonna be left chewing rubber bands. And once you're done admiring your steak, it's time to butter our medianoche bread and just give this a light toast. Once it's done toasted, we're gonna assemble our sandwich. Get our Chimi-Mayo on the bottom. Now line up your sandwich with some beautifully sliced skirt steak, a little bit more Chimi-Mayo, and add your caramelized onions. Now I like to put the Cooper Sharp cheese on top. If you can't find Cooper Sharp cheese, use a mix of provolone and white cheddar. I'm just torching the cheese just to give it a little head start on the melting. Now on my griddle, I put a little bit of ghee and then just let the weight of the lid slowly press down on the sandwich. Once it's done, take it out. And here's a little chef trick. You want to brush the top with some melted butter to give it that nice shine. Now it's time to slice it at an angle and check this out. Skirt steak chimichurri, caramelized onions, and melted Cooper Sharp cheese. I'll serve this up with a little Chimi-Mayo on the side, some cornichons, and some plantain chips. And man, look at this sexy beast. This has to be one of the best sandwiches I've ever made. And the Cooper Sharp cheese, Cooper Sharp is a game changer. And this Chimi-Mayo, gotta try with some plantain chips. It makes me think of like a spinach dip. Oh man. Let me get some more of this on here. Oh. That. Oh. Oh. Added crunch. Give this recipe a try, otherwise you're just losing in life. All right, guys, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.